Hey, it's Eric G. Around the House is sponsored by Baldwin Hardware. For 75 years, Baldwin Hardware has been known for its first-class quality and craftsmanship in door and cabinetry hardware. As an alumnus of the Baldwin Hardware Design Council, I can say I have seen the details and quality from design to the finished product. If you're looking for a new style and old-world craftsmanship, I can tell you there is only one Baldwin Hardware. Check out what would look great in your home at baldwinhardware.com.
It's Around the House. When it comes to remodeling and renovating your home, there is a lot to know, but we've got you covered. This is Around the House.
Welcome to the Around the House show. This is the midweek special. This is where we talk about stuff that didn't make it into last weekend's show and isn't going to make it into next weekend's show. And today, I wanted to talk about my hot top 8 gift ideas. Everybody has a top 10. Let's do a top 8 today for Christmas and Hanukkah here. Got some great tools on some great buys that I found. Now, I want to be full disclosure here. Not a single one of these companies have paid me or given me anything or anything. These are just 8 things that I found looking around that I thought were a great buy and an important tool for somebody, especially somebody starting out. So that's what this is. This is not sponsored or anything else by anybody. A lot of those top 10s are, or top 20s, where people pay to have their stuff in there. Not this one. This is just my organic one today. So first off, the M18 Milwaukee multi-tool kit. This thing is absolutely cool. This is probably the most important tool outside of a regular circular saw and an impact driver or drill that you should have in your toolbox for cutting things, trimming, even sanding. It's a great deal. I found this one at Acme Tools on sale for $99, regularly $199, on sale for $99. Tool, battery, charger, bag, the whole deal. I will put all the links to these things in the notes down below where you can find it, but that's over at Acme Tools. $99. That's a killer deal for that. I mean, that's ridiculous price for that tool. Now, next up, number 2, Crescent's Vortex Bit and Shockforce Night-Eye Tape Trade Pack, 42 piece. So Crescent, you know, Crescent Wrench, Crescent Tools, they have these new Vortex bits that are out. I tell you what, these things are amazing. If you're stripping screws out, rounding things out, this is the tool for you to stop that from happening. These things are tough. I've used them, and for impact drivers and stuff, putting screws and that type of thing in, I'll tell you what, I haven't used anything better. And then my favorite tape measure, actually, which is that Shockforce Night-Eye. It's that black tape measure. Thing is awesome. So you can see that thing, and it is amazing. So it's a whole pack, $29.99. Again, that one's over at Acme Tools, regularly $44.99 if you go into the Home Improvement Center and get it. So it's a good deal at $30 online. So there's number 2. Number 3, if you're looking for that person that's getting new to home improvement and new to wrenching on things, the Craftsman 206-piece standard and metric combination polished chrome mechanics tool set. 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch with hard case. Not a bad deal at $99.98. These things, these special buys like this where you get all these sockets and everything else, it's a great buy, especially if you're missing tools. It's a great way to fill that toolbox back up again. For $100, you can't get anywhere close to this outside of the Christmas time. So for $100, it's a killer deal. And that one is available at Lowe's. So you can get that over at Lowe's. And again, all these links will be down in the notes here of the podcast. Now, the next one here, which I thought was a great deal, another Craftsman product. They're 2-pack, basically. So it's their V20 tool, 2-tool, 20-volt max power tool combo kit and soft case with 2 lithium-ion batteries and charger. So this is their drill and impact. This is a great set at $99. Now, if you think about it, Craftsman now is not a Sears product. It is made by the same people, Stanley Black & Decker. So this is going to be the same as your DeWalt and Porter cable. So this really is what you're looking at as a DeWalt type package for $99, but with the Craftsman name on it. So Craftsman has really upped their game on their power tools because they now have that DeWalt technology that everybody's known for years behind it. So it's not just a one-off thing. High quality, killer price for that at $99. So pretty impressive. Now here's one that's a great tool. Not really a tool, but it's a storage item that I thought was really good. This is made by Bora. My friends over at Bora, I love these guys. They're wood rack 6-tier wall mount. So this is so you can stack boards on the shop of the wall. You know the ones that are leaning up and falling over all the time? These are so you can lay these things flat up there to keep them from warping, keep them off the ground. And for $49 on sale from $77, you can mount a boatload of wood up on the side of the wall, keep it off the floor so you're not tripping on it, it's not falling over. And more importantly, it's not soaking up the moisture out of the concrete, so you can keep it off the ground over there. So it's a great way to put it up there where you can see it and you're not having to bend over. Bora wood rack 6-tier wall mounted for $49. That is a killer deal at number 4. Actually, that was number 5. Sorry, number 5. So number 6 here, the Bora 30-inch by 24 by 48 steel centipede work support sawhorse with some bonus accessories. Now this thing folds up like almost like what you'd see one of those pop-up tents, but when you throw it out, it works out into a whole table base. So you can literally sit there and put a sheet of plywood on it flat and have it equally supported over the whole thing. It works great. So they've got that and some other accessories for holding 2x4s and stuff on it and some clamps. All for $89, regular $109, so about 18% off on that thing. That, for your home improvement person, is a killer deal. And until you have one, you don't miss it. You don't miss it until you need it. And this thing here is a powerful tool for anybody out there, especially that experienced DIYer that's regularly dealing with sawhorses that don't have support. You know, the sawhorses are always in the wrong spot. These things work really well for this. Now, for somebody that's doing moldings and trim and tile, this digital angle gauge and level. I love this thing. Made by Klein. You know those guys that make all those electricians tools. This thing is awesome. $29.97. Digital angle gauge and level. Regular $45. This works out really well for finding those angles. And it's got V-groove edges on all 4 sides. It's really meant with an auto-rotating screen. It's got a magnetic base if you're working with metal. Tell you what, thing is awesome. That is a good deal at $29.97 at Acme Tools again for another one there. Now, the last one here in the list today, the Milwaukee Precision Screwdriver Set 8-piece for $24.97. This is a cool, small screwdriver set. So if you're working on electronics, you're working on glasses, electrical, that kind of thing, those little tiny screwdrivers that you always have a hard part trying to figure out, that is what this is for. And again, $24.97, regular $42 over there at Acme Tools. Those guys are awesome over there. You can order that stuff and still get it in time for Christmas. So you're going to be good to go with that. And I love the precision tips that you get on those Milwaukee ones. I've got a lot of those at home here, and I tell you what, those things are solid. So pretty cool there. All right, everybody, we got a great show ahead coming up this weekend. We're going to have a lot of fun here. We've got Matt Whitbeck from This Old House. He was actually the contractor from This Old House up in the Saratoga Springs project. So he's going to give us the insight on what it was like doing a project with This Old House and being a contractor with the guys on set. So we're going to talk about that as well as some performance building with him. He's an educator that used to share the stage with me years ago, and we brought him on the show. And then in hour number 1, Steelport Knife Company. These guys make carbon steel blades, and they're made in USA. So you know me, I love to support our people out there. So we're going to talk about how to make knives. What's the cool stuff with making knives, right? So these are all made here. They're made locally to me, so I went and took a look at it before we put them on the air. And this is some quality stuff. So if you want to buy that heirloom knife, that is going to be another thing that's on there. It's a little bit more money, but it's you buy it once and have it for the rest of your life kind of knife. And so let's put that as number 9, Steelport Knife, steelportknife.com as the special asterisk here at the end of our special. And we'll be talking to them on Saturday. All that and more coming up on Around the House this weekend. And then we've got so many great episodes coming up. We've got some new stuff with patio covers and carports, things like that coming up. So we've got some great projects ahead. All right, everybody, I'm going to rest my voice a little bit. I am still getting over that, I don't know what they call that cold bug that's been going around. It's not the flu because I got a flu shot, so it's whatever that respiratory illness that they call that's been going around. I've been fighting that on week 2, but getting slowly better. And I will see you guys on Saturday. All right, everybody, have a great rest of the week. Happy midweek. Thanks for listening to Around the House.
Undiscovered, anywhere beyond the mean. Life is a love song, let's be lovers. We're all over the radio. Take my hand, I know where to go. All over the radio with you.
Hey, it's Eric G. from Around the House. Are you planning a decking or siding project this year? If you are, you've got to check out my friends at Millboard. Millboard is a completely different kind of composite decking and cladding that enhances outdoor spaces with enduring distinction. Hand-molded from the finest oak, it realistically mimics the natural grain and color of premium hardwood. If you're looking for something that doesn't look like plastic and instead real wood, check out Millboard.com. Make sure and check out that interview we did just a few weeks back. That's Millboard.com.